Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty, one big gap up which was happened and market continued to move upside. So it exactly opened at previous day high resistance zone. So after that it made a bullish candle. So if it is not a bullish candle, if it is suppose formed a bearish candle, then market would have covered the gap today itself. So it exactly opened at almost previous day high resistance level. After that made a complete bullish movement. After that what we can say, at the higher levels which is around 19,500, we can see one rejection which was happened previously. Sell off came. So exactly which came under that particular level. After that one small downtrend as we can see in Nifty. So we can see in the second half selling pressure in Nifty. As it continues on tomorrow, if it opens flat and if it continues tomorrow, we can expect this gap to be covered on tomorrow at these levels. Or else if it opens flat, we can see this rejection level at 19,500. Or else if it breaks on the higher levels, it can move further higher. We can see as in Nifty, some bullish movement is there. So these are all like kind of halt is happening at the higher levels in the Nifty. So once this complete sideways movement is broken, we can expect further up move in Nifty. So as we come to Bank Nifty chart, one gap was there which was completely filled today itself, and previous day high as we can see in higher levels in Nifty. So exactly the Bank Nifty also took previous day high resistance and which fell after coming over there. So we can see one bearish movement which is happening Bank Nifty. From last 3 to 4 days we can see one complete bearish movement. If market opens flat tomorrow, we can expect further downside in Bank Nifty. So which should break 44,700 strongly, which will act as support level. We should break strongly. Then if it opens flat or if it opens again with gap up, and if it breaks this higher level which is 45,150 around, we can expect further up move in, or else which can break this zone or the support levels. And after that one more gap which is pending at the higher levels in Bank Nifty. It can cover tomorrow if it opens gap up and if it breaks 45,150 level. So now we come to Fin Nifty. So in Fin Nifty, gap up happened. After that, as we can see in previous Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty and all, so which took the previous days or the rejections levels. So here what happened, after breakout it made complete one sideways range at the higher levels which is around 20,200 level. After that, so today Fin Nifty expiry was there, so again the complete it is in downtrend. So it did not break this higher levels of 20,200. So after that one sell off came. So sharp selling came at the second half, maybe due to because of expiry. And one more thing, Fin Nifty is in completely downtrend from last 3 to 4 days. So when we come to the tomorrow levels, if it breaks this lower level which is around 19,950, we can expect further downside movement in Fin Nifty because trend in downside only. Or else if it opens flat or if it opens gap up, we can expect the rejections at 20,150 level. Or else if it breaks this resistance, immediately we can expect 20,250 as resistance level 2. So when the buyers wants to move upside or take the market to upside, means it has to break these higher level swings and then it has to move upside. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. See you in next post market analysis. Thank you.